Hi there, I'm Rhonda, and I help makers turn their digital designs into income. On my channel, you'll get quick tutorials, cool tools, and simple strategies to grow your digital product business. If you want daily AI prompts, trend tips, and a fun community that gets it, join us in our AI Profit Society. I left a link in the description. Don't forget to like and subscribe so you don't miss a thing. And now, without any further delay, let's get into today's video. Hey everybody, it's Rhonda, and we are inside ChatGPT today. And I wanted to show you how you can use ChatGPT to, to create those fun pet portraits that are so popular. You don't need an extra subscription to, yet another program to do this. I see a lot of people showing how to do it in the Playground AI. And if you already have Playground, that's fantastic. But if you don't need it. You can do this right from ChatGPT. And I'm going to show you how quick and easy it is to do. So I have some pictures of pets here, okay? I have some dogs, and I am going to take one of these, and I'm just going to drag it in, drop it in there so it can upload. And now I'm just going to tell ChatGPT, take this image and turn it and take this dog and make him wearing Renaissance, and I can't spell, Renaissance style clothing, looking very regal. And I just send that into ChatGPT. Now, this is going to take a little while. We all know that ChatGPT's image generation engine takes a little bit of time. So we'll give it a minute to complete. Okay, and here it is finished. And there's our dog, and you can see from the picture, it kept the same. You know what, let's open up Photopea here quick and open up a new project. And let's just grab a wide image so we can, let's drag this dog in here. Let's drop it in. And let's drag this one in. And you can see it looks like the same dog. It got the coloration right, and it looks pretty good. There's a little bit of a difference on the paws, but not much. So you can see how quick and easy it is to do this right here in ChatGPT. You don't need extra programs to do this. So if you have been wanting to, say, offer pet portraits to customers in your Etsy shop, custom pet portraits, you can definitely do it simply using ChatGPT. So let's do something a little different, okay? Let's grab another one. Let's bring this little dog over, and I'm going to show you. Okay, and this is the dog we're using right here. Let me move that out of the way. And now this time, take this dog and put him on a stool reading a newspaper. So you can do this in more fun and unique ways. You don't just have to give them the Renaissance clothing. You can do all kinds of stuff with it. So let's give it a second to generate. Alrighty, and now you can see it generated the dog reading the newspaper, sitting on a stool. So let's drag that down here and put it right next to the original photo so you can see. And that looks pretty close. That's a very good likeness of the dog with the colorations. You can see the darker color here through the forehead and around the eyes and the lighter muzzle. So I think that came out really nicely. And, so you can do some unique uh, pet portraits simply using ChatGPT. And we're going to do one or two more, just so you can see that it's pretty accurate and consistent is the big thing. So this is the dog we're using this time, this little guy right here. All right. So we're going to put him in, and this time, um, let's say this is a female dog. So this dog, take this dog and put her in a uh, Victorian era dress sitting at a vanity. Okay. And we'll send that in and let ChatGPT do its thing. Okay, we're going to give it just a few minutes to run its creation. Okay, and here it took the last dog we did and put her in a Victorian gown sitting at a vanity with the mirror. And I think that looks absolutely amazing. Let's bring both of these into this image so we can compare them side by side. Okay, there's that. And let's drag that in. And there they are. And I think that is a very good likeness. Again, you can see the black spots on the muzzle, and they show up here on the painting. And the markings are all pretty good. So this is a very good likeness of the original dog. And we've done three of them, and they've all been very consistent with making sure the portrait that it put out has a very close likeness to the dog we used. A lot of times, that's a problem in some of these generators where they're not consistent, or it just doesn't look like the dog that you inputted. So I just wanted to show you, this is a real quick video, nothing long and major, how you can use ChatGPT and just a few sentences of what you want it to do to create these custom pet portraits that you can turn around and sell on Etsy if you want to sell them locally, do what you offer them as digital downloads. You know, just it's another way to increase your income from a pretty simple process without having to purchase yet another subscription every month to do it. All righty. So hope you guys found this helpful. If you have any questions, please just drop them in the comments below, and I will get back to you as soon as I can. So have a great day.